nouveau topic sujet la negation. La negation means the negation. So let's start. How can we learn with a simple and easy way? Come on, say. Start. Note in negative sentence the indefinite articles. What are the indefinite articles? A, yun, they. Okay? I am repeating. Indefinite article is a, yun, they. And partitive article. Partitive article means du, dala, they, the L apostrophe. Okay? So what are the partitive article? Du, dala, they, the L apostrophe. Change into the and the apostrophe. So if we have indefinite article and the partitive article, so when we have the both the sentences, so when we make the negative sentence of the definite article and the partitive article, we have to change our article in the or the apostrophe. Okay? How can we learn with the here are the more examples. You will understand in the easy way. Okay? Let's say example. J a stilo means I have a stilo. What are the article here? There is the indefinite article. I told you if we have indefinite article, we have to change into they, the or the apostrophe. Okay? So how can we change the sentence? Je n'ai pas de stylo. Sujet plus na, avoir plus pas plus on the place of un. Okay? On the place of un, we have to write the. Okay? When we write in the negation form. Okay? Why there is apostrophe? You will say when we have two words together. Okay? At that time we have to remove one and we have to put apostrophe here. Okay? So je n'ai pas de stylo. D'accord? Next. Il y a des amis dans la maison. There are friends in the home. Okay? So what are the article here? There is the indefinite article again. So what we have to do? We have to do that there is also a wall. The wall is starting with the wall. So now how can we do the negation? Let's learn. Il n'y a pas. So here first il, then negative conjugation na, there is a y. Il n'y a pas des amis dans la maison. Here we removed they. Okay, we have to remove they, and in place of they, but we have to add the or the apostrophe. Here we have added the D apostrophe. Why? Because there is a vowel. Okay? So, il n'y a pas d'amis dans la maison. Let's come to the third example. Elle mange du gâteau. Du, it is the partitive article. What do you understand by the partitive article? Means when we have any part of any food like pizza, cake, pan means chapati. Okay? So we write like du. So there is a du gâteau. We have to change du into the. Okay? So elle ne mange pas de gâteau. Okay? Now come forward. I hope you understood this. Now come to the definite article. We have discussed the indefinite article and the partitive article. Okay? Now come to the definite article. How can we change it? So there is no change. No change of what? No change of article. We don't have to change our article. It will be remain as it is it? Okay? So here is a sentence. Jador la cafe means I love coffee. Okay, what is the article here? La. Like understood? We. Maintenant, Jador la cafe. Here, la will be remain the same. We don't have to change anything. Got it? Here, je dors pas le café. That will be same. D'accord? So you have to understand that in the definite article, we don't change the article. It will be remain same. Only we have to use na plus pa. D'accord? Now there is the another verb être. Okay, we have discussed the indefinite article, participative article. Those we convert, those we article we change. Indefinite article we don't have to change anything. It will be remain same. Now come to the verb être. Okay, there will be also no change of any article. So suppose there is a one sentence. Okay, say yun guitar. It is the article. Okay, it is the article. So here it is a être verb. So it is a guitar. So here only we have to conjugate in the negative form. Okay, but we don't have to change the article. Let's come and how can we make sentence? Let's see. Okay, ce n'est pas une guitare. Yun will be remain same. Only na and pa will be added there. I hope you understood all the things here. If you face any difficulty, you can comment in the comment box. Like, subscribe and share my channel. And if you want to take a demo class, I give demo class for free. Merci beaucoup.